Hey guys, morning. Welcome back to another video. Good night, good afternoon. I don't even know what time you guys see in this video, guys, but getting ready to go to work this morning. Running a little bit late as usual. Just done all the fresh hot water. I don't think I can go back to bathing with cold water, honestly speaking, guys. But sometimes you have to make it lukewarm, especially when the place is as hot as it is right now. Anyways, come along, guys. Gonna finish, get ready for work, and then head on out. So we're not later than we already are. Guys, I have a very bad habit, and that habit is not knowing what I'm gonna wear to work until in the morning. I know the right thing to do is to prepare everything from Sunday and get it ironed, and you know the whole works, the whole strips. But I'm gonna be very honest, that's not me. I'm the kind of person who get up every morning and just figure it out that morning and then iron if I need to iron that morning, which I know is very time consuming and make things harder. But for morning like these when I'm late, I have two specific suits that I call my late suit that I just jump in, right? I don't need to iron it or nothing, so that's what I'm gonna be jumping in this. Yeah guys, this is it. This is my no iron suit. Put on the shoes and get out of here. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Let's go. I know I look super casual, guys, but once I get to work, I have a jacket at work, guys, that I usually just use as what you call it, utility jacket. Whenever I look this casual, I just throw it on and make it look a little bit formal. You understand? This is the late look. This is what it looks like. Not every morning I'm gonna be able to be prim and proper, right, babes? Yes guys, so we are finally through the door. It's now 10 minutes to 8 in the morning, and that's to get to work at 8 o'clock. So we don't have much time to spare. Go, 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 go. Everybody's on the go this morning, including you, Miss Malia. You're going to Auntie Jane, stay home. You're going to school, have a field trip this morning. And no, yeah, go, guys. Yeah. Work, yeah, go? Yeah. A bit busy these days. Baby.
Yeah, and construction, that's the time for them. The picture yesterday, I stopped. I stopped, just stop go. I'm going to concentrate and just say, alright, I'm going to find something.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, I'm going to get on at 10:30 last night. I was tired.
Guys, that's why you must not leave out your house late to go to work, because anything can happen unexpectedly. Guys, I don't know if it's an accident on the other street, so the road that we normally drive, traffic, lots of traffic, which we're not used to. So that is gonna be late this morning. Nothing new?
I don't know if I leave for one day. I
Don't think so? Well, tell them to the road block off, backside. The road is blocked off.
Yeah, I have to give my explanation.
Yeah, if the extra proof showed in this video. I got no way.
Yeah, like a survey person.
One survey then? Traffic, guys, traffic. Not used to this, you know. Then it's construction season. Fire truck.
Malika, you're going to the firehouse today?
Oh, that's where they're going.
Yeah.
Going off resources.
Yeah.
Eight o'clock now. Alright.
Like a car accident. So
Maybe an accident?
yeah, it seemed that way. Eating grapes, mommy?
Your favorite thing in the whole wide world, Malia? Eating grape.
It just don't kind of like grapes anymore.
What she like, you know? Banana?
Juice.
Juice.
Just juice. Everything is juice. No banana, no grapes, no strawberries, just juice.
That's the thing, guys, that
Yeah.
I find that probably living in North America probably is the same in the States or even in the UK. So if you guys are in the States and the UK, you guys can comment and let me know if it's the same. That when you're in the work week, it's such a fast pace that you don't even have time for really reason and talk to, like, you know, to family and stuff like that. So every opportunity you get, you have to take it, like going to work in the mornings, after work in the evening, the little hours where you get, you have to just squeeze it in because there's not a whole lot of free time, right? Is it the same in the States and in the UK? So sometimes you guys will see Nat and I just talking in the morning, like going to work and stuff like that. It's because like throughout the week we don't really get much opportunity to do that because between work and extracurricular activity, making video for you guys and taking care of these two little ones.
It dropped?
The drop? What drop? The grape drop? So Malia, why are you crying? Just ask Mama to pick it up.
I don't know where it is.
Come on, Malia J.
I don't know where it is.
Looks like it's another beautiful day. Now you hear that there's some more fires in Alberta, like 300 new fires. Yeah.
Seriously?
And all of the other ones, them cannot control it. And then there's like 300 new ones. So, I don't know what's going on this year.
At least we don't have any smoke here, you know.
Yeah, at least. Because even though my sinus still and probably allergies. What we're talking about, guys, is access to family doctors. That's one of the worst thing in Canada.
That's that I know. Is that
That's like
negative?
that's like you feel like you're in a, well, no offense, but you feel like you're in a third world country when it comes down to access to, because even Jamaica have better access to doctors.
Exactly.
So I take that back. Guys, like the whole access to healthcare is horrible here in Canada, especially access to your family doctor. Waiting time to get in, like for example, like say if not make a doctor visit, like right now if we go see our gynecologist or whatever,
My gyno,
it's probably like 2 months wait.
I called to go to my gyno because I'm having little issues and just to do a little checkup anyway. So I called and only appointment they have is way in November. No, it's not November. We're talking about November. July the 18th is my appointment, which I called 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago in July.
2 weeks in July.
And even the family doctor, even for kids, well, you have walk-in clinics, but if you go to walk-in clinics, it don't make no difference because the waiting period will be so long.
Because you might even stand up in a line outside,
yeah,
go into a walk-in clinic.
And your family doctor waiting time can probably be a month. So if you have a little issue, it's either you get better or you're dead by the time you reach a doctor.
So
That's something that needs drastic overall or attention.
Yeah.
Definitely access to healthcare. Yeah, just dropped off nuts. You guys know the routine. Take these kids to their respective destination. And then after work I go. I don't know guys, like in the summertime when the days are longer, it's so hard to wake up in the mornings. Because the sun is up so late, so typically I go to your bed later than normal. Probably that's the reason, but like in the mornings it's so hard to get up. I don't know. And it's every year. In the winter it's so easy to get up in the morning, which is very strange because it's dark and cold and wet and frosty and all sorts of things. But in the summertime, so hard to get up in the mornings, guys. And it's the same thing for the kids too, because even Malia didn't get up this morning until probably 7:15, 7:20, and we had to like force and wake her up. And she's usually up like by 5:30, 6 o'clock. I don't know, the weather pattern throw off everything, guys. So be prepared for that. That's one of the things that you don't really think about, but it's gonna affect you significantly. So be prepared for that for when you migrate to Canada, because it's not if, you know, it's when, right? A lot of you guys watching this video right now, that's the goal. The goal is to migrate to Canada. So be prepared for all of the you know, all that comes with it. All that comes with it. Back-breaking work of shoveling snow and all those fun stuff, guys. Them not done work on the road yet. I know. Everywhere is another construction, guys. Everywhere is another construction. Big old hole in our road. A second morning all day bad drive me, you know. Second morning. Yeah, this is what? This is the west side of town. So directions is north, south, east and west. North, east, south, west, south, north, all sorts of things. So you have to get your coordinates right, guys. So now we're on the west side of town. This is a community that's called West Point. Going through a school zone, you have to slow down to a maximum of 30 kilometers. Otherwise, a ticket will be waiting on you in the mailbox. And I learned from experience, guys, because I took my bad Jamaican driving habits to Canada, and then in 1 week I got 3 tickets back to back to back, totaling almost $500. So that was my lesson to, you know, straighten up my driving habits. I guess it pays to learn. Malika, you're late for school, man. That I first step on the gas and drop off sister quick and fast. I'm so hungry. Okay guys, so I just dropped off Malia. So this is now me and Malika's turn. We always get our little morning reasoning in at this point when it's just she and I. So yeah, usually just talk to her, let her know that everything is gonna be alright and that, you know, we're here for her and stuff like that, even though she don't really, she understands, but she can't respond, right? Because she's non-verbal, as you guys know. Or I'm not sure if you guys know, but she's 100% non-verbal. So pretty much when it comes down to communicating with Malika is a one-way traffic at the moment. But yeah, I still use this opportunity every morning after dropping off our sister and our mother. She just spent some one-on-one time with her. Reaffirm her, make sure no say we're here, everything is alright, and you know what, it's okay to be different. She don't have to be like anyone else. It's all about she, right, and reaching her full potential, whatever that looks like for her. And as long as she's happy, and as you guys can see, Malika is extremely happy, right? well, she's not fussy, but yeah. So I think that's very important as well, guys, to understand and to do, because like that's one of the things that I wish I had growing up, is just the consistent reaffirmation that you know, your family is there for you, you're loved, you're valued, and you know, whatever life may come, whatever life may throw your way, little cat, whatever life may throw your way, you can overcome. And you always have the support of your family, especially me. So she knows that 100%. Right, Malika? Right? Good job. Now sit back in the seat and put your hands back in the seat belt. Sit back in the seat and put your hands back in the seat belt. Come on. Don't make daddy get a ticket this morning. Running late as well. As I said, she have a... Malika, sit down and put your hands in the thing. Come on now. She always get excited when it's just she and I. Yeah. You see how she just sit down calm with her mother and her sister in the car? But as soon as it's just she and I now, she just get super excited. And stuff like that. Take her out of the car seat straps and... nothing though. Yeah, so... we're currently where we are with Malika right now. There's a support, it's called FSC, the Family for Support with Children with Disability. But the wait list is extremely long. And what resources you get with that organization is you get pretty much all the support you need in terms of persons coming to your home, speech therapists, physiotherapists, help you with them. Persons even come and clean the house for you. Take Malika for a couple of hours, give you a break, stuff like that. So if you have a child with disability, they come in, they, you know, help out the family. So it's family support. So they take the child, for a couple of hours, give the parents a break, come in, whatever help you might need in your household. They might clean your house, wash your dishes, stuff like that. You get access to speech therapists, physiotherapist, whole heap of other things, guys. So we're currently on the wait list for that. But because in order to access that particular support service, you have to be a permanent resident or a citizen of Canada. You unfortunately can't access that as a temporary resident. So because we recently became permanent residents at the beginning of this year, that was when we went on the wait list, and we have now been on the wait list for almost 6 months, which the estimated wait time is 6 to 8 months. So we currently have probably another month or two to go, or probably we'll be in go this month, but that's something that we're definitely looking forward to, so that Malika can start getting additional support when it comes on to our language development and or holistic development, because right now she gets it in school, but when she's home she don't necessarily get all the support that she needs at home. So it's just the resources that's available in school right now is benefiting her and stuff like that. But of course, you know that we need to be proactive and aggressive when it comes down to stuff like these, because yeah, we want to make sure that we are doing every single thing we can to help her, right? So that when she gets to a certain age, she can't feel like we didn't do everything to help her develop her language, and just reach her full potential. So with the help of the city, the help of the province, the school, the different supports and stuff like that, you have is it called the Peace Autism Group here in Grande Prairie that we're a part of as well, where other kids, other parents with kids with autism and stuff like that. We have different events. Have different events periodically where autistic kids go, and we get to meet other parents with kids with special needs, more so autism. So yeah, there's quite a few resources available. There's quite a few resources available here in Alberta, and Alberta is widely regarded as the best province for people with special needs and disability, based on the resources that's available. In addition to the federal resources, like you get disability tax credit, disability tax, it's two things: disability tax credit and disability tax. Yeah, I think that's it. So there's tons of resources that's even available federally as well. So yeah, so Alberta is one of the provinces that makes it very, 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 I'd say, flexible, affordable, tolerable, all those words. If it is that you have a child with special needs, or if you yourself have a special need, Alberta is widely regarded as the best province for those things. Right? Okay, Malika, you're almost at school. Are you excited for your field trip? Yes? Yes? Okay, you're almost there. The bus not gonna leave you, okay? We have 4 more minutes to get there. Yeah. Daddy and mommy's late this morning. Hopscotch, you want to try it? You want to come and give it a try? Give it a try. You have to jump though. Okay, let's go. That's the bell, Malika. That's the bell. Yeah, that's the bell. Okay, let's put on your backpack. I love you, Malika Jade. Okay, go on, Malika. Have a good day, Malika. Okay, bye. Yes, guys, so I just dropped off Malika at school. She's going on a field trip today, first time in the school bus. So hopefully she enjoy it. Yeah, hopefully you guys have a good day too. This is where I'm gonna finish this video right now. Don't forget to smash a like on the video, guys. Drop a comment and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video, and you guys have a great day, great week, great month, great year. Alright guys, look.